Given fx and gx, state the domain and range for f and g. Okay, so fx is a quadratic function and this is CTS form already. Okay, dia bentuk dia ada x plus 0 square minus 1. The smile shape and the minimum point is 0, 1. Okay, okay done. Next, kita akan tengok domain and range dia. Okay, so for f, domain for f, okay, f is a quadratic function. So, domain will be any real number, negative infinity to infinity. Okay, next, range for f, range for quadratic function is related to the minimum or maximum point. Okay, tengok dia punya value of y here is 1. And graf awak ke atas sebab dia bentuk senyum. Kan? Jadi, the range will be from 1 until infinity. 1 tu included. Nah, dia close lah sebab dia boleh sentuh. Dia minimum point. Yang excluded tu kalau asymptote, dia tak boleh sentuh, dia akan open lah. Okay, next. The domain for G. Okay, G is a set function and we know that the function inside the set must be greater equal to 0. Dia boleh ada equal 0 untuk set. Yang tak boleh ada equal 0 tu untuk log. So x greater equal to 0, x greater equal to 1. Ataupun saya boleh tulis 1 until infinity. 1 closed. Okay, and the last one, range for G. Okay, set, graf set awak ni, dia bentuk positif macam tu tahu. Dia macam ni. Gitu. Okay. Dia bentuk positif. X is positif. Set is also positive. So, dia punya titik yang jauh tu, okay, dia dekat first quadrant. So, bentuk dia macam ni. Okay. Actually, dia ni sama je dengan set x minus 1 plus 0. 0 ni related to range. Okay, so range for G is from 0 until infinity. 0 included. Okay, done for part A. Part B, find f of G. F of G equal to f of set x minus 1 equal to, insert set x minus 1 into f. So we have set x minus 1 square plus 1. The answer is x. Next, G of f equal to G of, okay, f kita apa tadi? Kita tengok f is x square plus 1. Okay, equal to, insert x squared plus 1 into G. So, equal to square root x minus 1. X now becomes x squared plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So, 1 minus 1, 0. Set x squared equal to x. So, awak nampak tak ni? F of G equal to x. G of f equal to x. Benda yang sama. Kan? Dia nampak sesuatu kan? Okay, next. Dia suruh cari f of G of f. F of G of f equal to f of G. Okay, tulis f. Okay, f kita apa tadi? F kita x squared plus 1 equal to, insert, okay, into G now. F of, okay, G x squared plus 1, dia akan jadi square root x squared plus 1 minus 1 or equal to f of x. Kan? And f of x is x squared plus 1. Okay. X squared plus 1. Okay, dia balik kepada fx. Okay, dan for part B. Part C, on the same axis, sketch the graph of f and g. Okay, graf f kita adalah kuadratik x squared plus 1. So, x squared plus 1, kalau x squared, dia kat sini kan? So, ini graf x squared. Tapi kita nak x squared plus 1. Meaning that we need to shift the graph 1 unit up. Maksudnya dia macam ni. Macam ni. So, this is 1. Kalau sebelum ni, dia minimum dia dekat 0, 0 origin kan. So, for this one, we shift the graph 1 unit up. Okay, so, this is your fx. Okay, you need to label fx. Now, okay, and then, for set x minus 1, if you refer the domain, okay, the domain starts from 1 to the right. Okay, maksudnya ni 1. Okay, dia start kat sini dan ke kanan. Jadi, bentuk dia macam mana? Macam ni. This is your gx. Okay, label tu wajib. Awak labelkan fx, awak labelkan gx. Okay, so ini in general lah. Nah, in general kita lukis fx tanpa cut at any value of x. Nah, kita lukis full fx and gx. Okay, part C done. Okay, part D, state the domain of f so that f is inverse of g. So, kalau awak perasan kat sini, nampak tak? Ini bentuk dia gini, g. Yang ni bentuk dia macam ni juga, tapi dia ada echo ke sana. Jadi, if we want f becomes the inverse of g, maksudnya dia macam ni. Kalau inverse tu kan dia reflect kat sini. Meaning that we need to cut this part. Nah, kita kena cut kat situ. Baru dia jadi baru dia tu reflected about y equal to x line. Faham tak saya nak cakap ni? Nah, okay. So, fx, domain of f, dia mestilah domain tengok part C x So, this is 0. So, domain must be 0 until infinity. So, kalau domain 0 until infinity, yang ni tak ada, dia automatic becomes inverse of each other. Okay, boleh? Tapi awak janganlah pula pergi conteng dekat graf, pergi padam graf tu. Janganlah. Ini part C. Part C kena lukis full. Okay, full macam tadi part C tu. Nah? Boleh?